Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a practical topic: how to send money from New Zealand to Chile. Whether you're supporting family abroad, handling business transactions, or just sending a gift, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, you have a few options for transferring money. The most common methods include using your bank, international wire services like Western Union, or online platforms such as Wise or PayPal. Each has its pros and cons, so let's break it down. Banks are reliable but often come with higher fees and slower processing times. Online services like Wise are usually faster and cheaper, with real-time exchange rates that can save you money. Step 1. Choose the right service based on your needs. If speed is key, go for Wise or similar apps. You'll need to sign up for an account if you haven't already. It's quick and free. Once you're set up, step 2 is to enter the details. Specify the amount in New Zealand dollars, add the recipient's information in Chile, like their bank account or email, and select the currency you want to convert to, probably Chilean pesos. Next, review the exchange rate and any fees involved. This is crucial because rates fluctuate, so use tools on the platform to compare and lock in a good deal. Step 3. Confirm the transfer. Double-check everything to avoid errors, then authorize the payment. Most services will send you a confirmation email and let you track the status online. A few tips to keep in mind. Always use secure connections, especially when dealing with financial info. Check for any transfer limits or additional taxes, and consider the current exchange rate to get the best value. If you're sending a large amount, it might be worth consulting a financial advisor. And there you have it, a simple way to send money from New Zealand to Chile. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.